Hi everyone, Sanmith here. Today we're going to be talking about black holes, and at the end of this video I'll be giving you a bonus question. So stay tuned until the end. And without further ado, let's begin. Hello and welcome to Space Crash, where you learn everything you need to know about our universe. Today I'll be talking about black holes. So, what is a black hole? A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that no particle or light can escape. But why is this gravity so strong? That's because matter has been compressed into a tiny space. Another question is, can humans see black holes? To tell you the truth, the answer to that question is no. But don't worry, there's some good news. Space telescopes with special equipment can help find black holes. They can detect how stars that are very close to black holes behave very differently when compared to other stars. How big can black holes get? Black holes can be small or big. Scientists think the smallest black hole is as small as just one atom. Though these black holes are very small, they have a mass of a large mountain. There is another kind of black hole called stellar. Its mass can be up to 20 times more than the mass of the Sun. There may be so many stellar mass black holes in the Milky Way. The largest type of black hole is called a supermassive. They have a mass of more than 1 million suns together. Every large galaxy has a supermassive black hole in their center. The black hole at the center of the Milky Way is Sagittarius A. Its mass is equal to about 4 million suns. And now for the bonus question. And the bonus question is, could a black hole destroy Earth? Think you know the answer? Leave it in the comment section below. See you soon with another video. Don't forget to live on Earth and dream in space. Bye for now.